Looking for a tool that will give you insights and guidance to keep your YouTube channel growing? If so, then you should check out this video. Simply put, VidIQ is a product that helps you boost your channel's organic reach, focus on what's working, beat the competition, and leverage YouTube trends. Oh, yeah, it's got some productivity tools as well. The VidIQ product is a great utility to have at your fingertips if you rely heavily on video marketing. In this VidIQ review, I'll cover the product's features, so you no longer have to ask what is VidIQ. I'll also go over its pricing structure so you know how much it will cost. Let's start it with its feature called Scorecard. The VidIQ tool includes a scorecard that offers plenty of analytics about all your videos. You might think that you already have access to that info via YouTube Analytics. And, truth be told, you do have access to some of it. But VidIQ makes it easy to access the metrics that YouTube buries in its analytics component. So it's a more user-friendly solution. The tool not only shows you how well your own videos are performing but also how well they stack up against your competitors. That's helpful info if you'd like to get ahead in your industry. Additionally, the scorecard highlights social engagements. You'll see how well your videos perform on Facebook and Reddit. The tool even gives you an SEO, search engine optimization, score. It gives you insights into how well your video performs for various queries. Further, VidIQ also shows you a video optimization checklist. Use that info to ensure that your video performs well in both social and search. That checklist will highlight details about tags, titles, descriptions, cards and screens, closed captions and more. Best of all, VidIQ will even suggest tags for your videos. Just go with the suggestions and save yourself quite a bit of time. The tool will also highlight any controversial keywords that could result in demonetization. And VidIQ doesn't just give you analytics for each video, it also gives you insights into your entire channel. Be sure to check out the trending section to see which videos are trending. You might get some inspiration for your own marketing strategy. Finally, the Scorecard's historical tab will show you how well your video has performed since you uploaded it to YouTube. Another amazing tool which make best to VidIQ is keyword tools. I'll explain the product's keyword tools. You're probably already familiar with keyword tools that marketers use for general SEO purposes. But have you ever heard of YouTube-specific keyword tools? Well, that's what VidIQ offers. For starters, the product includes a keyword research component. It will show you not only the most popular search terms for a specific subject but also the average views and average subscribers for specific terms. The tool will even show you if a search term is still in vogue. Unsurprisingly, VidIQ also offers a keyword score. It works just like the keyword score for other products you've seen by highlighting the popularity of the word or phrase. What you're looking for here is a score of 100 for search volume and 0 for competition. But if you're in a niche that gets quite a bit of traffic, it's likely you won't see numbers quite that good. The product even offers a keyword translator tool so you can translate your keywords into languages spoken by some of the folks in your target market. Finally, VidIQ also includes a tag autocomplete feature. You just start typing something relevant about your brand and the tool will finish the keyword for you. You'll likely get plenty of ideas for additional keywords with that feature. If you're still asking what is VidIQ, here's a great answer: it's a solution that helps you jump ahead of your competitors. Let's explore its next feature called Competitors. For starters, the tool enables you to add competitor channels, so you can compare your metrics with others. By the way, adding those channels is as simple as copying and pasting the channel ID into an online form field. In this part of the VidIQ review, I'll explain how the tool highlights YouTube trends. Here's how it works. VidIQ lets you set up alerts about trending topics. It's up to you how often you receive the emails about current trends. You can opt for every day, every 2 days, every week, or every month. You can also specify the types of trends you'd like to receive info about. For example, you might want to see only trends about Thai cooking with more than 5,000 views per hour, VPH. Identifying trends is a great way to uncover insights about video marketing opportunities that you might have missed. Once you've got all your competitors in the system, you can sort them by time frames, views per hour, overall views, and date uploaded. And here's where it gets fun. You can export the top keywords used by your competitors. Then you can include those keywords in your own titles, tags, and descriptions. Who doesn't want to save some time? Then let's explore VidIQ's next feature called Productivity Tool. If you sign on with VidIQ, you'll have access to productivity tools that will streamline your digital marketing efforts. For starters, the tool enables you to bulk copy cards and in screens. You can also bulk edit in screens. But there's more. VidIQ also offers a comment productivity tool that allows you to answer comments much more quickly. How does it do that? It enables you to create comment templates that you can edit, copy, and paste in mere seconds. Finally, the tool also allows you to download all of your metadata. That's useful if you need to make a backup. The thumbnail is the first impression people get about a video when they're scrolling through YouTube search results. You need to make sure that your thumbnails get people's attention. Fortunately, VidIQ offers a tool that helps you create thumbnails. You can even use the tool to make a thumbnail template that you apply to all your videos. The thumbnail editor itself is a user-friendly graphics editor. The learning curve is very short, unlike Photoshop. Use that editor to add images, shapes, text, and more to your thumbnail. Then, fine-tune it with colors that suit your style. Finally, add branding to give yourself a little bit of free advertising. Once you've got the image just like you want it, publish it and use it on your video. VidIQ has released its amazing brand new tool which helps to grow your YouTube channel by providing content with AI technology. You can think of daily ideas as your AI co-pilot on your YouTube journey. Our machine learning model generates ideas by analyzing lots of channels that produce similar content to yours, as well as your own videos. This model then looks at what has recently worked well for all these channels and uses these insights to smartly suggest ideas for videos you could consider making. Predict your next hit video with view prediction and see all your daily ideas ranked by their potential to get you more views. Each daily idea comes with a prediction of very high, medium or low. This is a relative score based on the potential of each idea, not a guarantee. After all, nothing makes more impact than the quality of your video. So how does it work? We use predictive modeling to analyze the performance of a large number of videos that other YouTubers have created, specifically looking at how many views they received in the first days after they were published. Lastly, let's see VidIQ pricing plans and make comparison which plans suits you. If you've heard of a VidIQ Boost review, that phrase refers to a particular level of service offered by the company. I'll cover the various levels of service in this section. The first level of service, Basic, enables you to get started for free. You're limited to tracking only 3 competitors and following one trend alert, though. But you do get the video scorecard and the live stats bar. The Pro level of service costs $7.50 per month. That limits you to 6 competitors and a single trend alert. But you also get access to additional features not offered with Basic. The Boost level of service is what people are writing about when they write a VidIQ Boost review. It enables you to track 20 competitors and follow as many as 15 trends. It costs $39 per month. Finally, Boost Plus costs $415 per month. It gives you a priority level of customer service while offering the full suite of tools. Now you know more about VidIQ. Feel free to sign on with the basic service for free from my link in video description. That should give you enough info to determine if the product is right for your business, and later if you wish to upgrade you can save up to 25% by sign up my link. If you like what you see, subscribe my channel to a higher level of service.